Sanibonani babukeli emakhaya, lona okhulumayo ubuhle bakaMlotshwa, okhonza eNingizimu Church of God Abadobi under i-leadership uLady Arch S.E. Mkhuma kanye no-presiding elect S. Mkhuma. Guys, welcome back to Imo's Uni Questions. I've been invited here to just share my experience, I can say, noZion, or to answer those questions. Ngokuba honest,
it's about to go down.
And let's have fun, guys. Ngizozama nami to be, you understand?
Yourself a season.
Is when did you start singing? So mina ke guys, ngaqala ngisasemncane kakhulu ukucula. Like I started at a young age. Ngakhula nje vele ngumntwana ohamba Sunday school. We were groomed there by uteacher wethu, uteacher Ngwenya, esikhonza naye e-ICG na. Okudala aphethe vele Sunday school. So umuntu owasibonakalisa kakhulu emphakathini kuZion, because sathola i-opportunity ukuthi whenever kunama events like abo Good Friday, abo Thanksgiving, she always made sure ukuthi we are there to perform. Yabo, like besihlezi sine drama nje ukuthi we went there si performe, sicule, siyenza ama drama, you understand? And she made us ukuthi sithole nama interview. We had, I think, about 3 or 4, if angisakhumbuli, or 2. I don't remember, but we had ama interview nakhona from Jozi FM esawathola ekuyiyo nawo asebespost that sisasebancane, you know. Yeah, so I mean, I think by the age of 14, 15, that's the age engaqala ukuculela ibandla.
What? What?
Lonke ngisaculiswa ubhuti wethu uVuyo owayesiculisa, siculisa abo sistani, which is unobhala wasebandleni wakwamkhuma. Sifaka abo Sisinkuli, esonta naye Sisinkuli, umunye nje osonta naye who's just the best guys oculayo, omunye obasimotivate sasebancane ukuthi we can do it. We can learn music, sibuye sizofaka esontweni and siyenze isonto lezi nathi liphucuke, which is what we are doing even today. Who motivated you to be in a choir? Guys, mina, to be honest,
get ready.
Honest, no one motivated me to be in a choir. Mina ngumuntu vele engathola i-gift from uNkulunkulu.
That's facts.
Olunofuzo olakabo baba, so vele nje mina kabo baba bayakwazi ucula. So vele ngathanda ucula from entandweni. Primary school I used to join choirs, makama graduation, makama awards, makuyini, yabo imingcwabo nani esikoleni I used to sing. Ngaphuma ngaya esindiso I joined choirs. We were performing nakhona. I used to do almost everything ehlangene nje no music and drama esikoleni. Went to esindiso ngajoina nakhona ichoir, eBulani, which is my secondary school, ngajoina. Then I got my first choir after matric, mangaba ngiphosisi. I don't know the exact year, but I think it was after matric, after 2021 mangiqeda isikolo. Yes, so I got my first choir. Nakhona ukukhwayela le choir lena ne, it was not ngajoina. Sengikhuluma iqiniso today.
Even you know where the danger is. You know where the danger is in our.
Okay, ngajoina ne ichoir, but it was more of ukuthi ekhaya umphathi lo besimculela bekesicela bekeze waze ekhaya wazongicela due to wayenganabantu abazoba-performela. I think uma ngabe ngiphosisa kwakuzoba ne-stage wangibiza for few results sayo-perform kayi-2 or kayi-3 mangaba ngiphosisa. So after lapho-ke sahamba sayo-performa, which is ikwaya yami yokuqala i-United Voices of Christ, which is UVC. Then I went to my second choir,
Another one.
engiyijoine last year, which is Insindiso Christmas Choir. Oh guys, ngiyayithanda le choir le, ngiyithanda ngenhliziyo yami yonke, inhliziyo yami yonke. So le choir guys, it's very disciplined. Mangithi disciplined, ba disciplined ngendlela eyisimanga, bayafundisa khona music, we learn everything. Kunempatho khona, they are very welcoming, we are educated music lapha siyafunda uqamba manga i-rehearsal nje before iqala, we do ama exercises obonayo ukuthi nawe njengoba ngiyenzile iyavula i-voice. So ngiyithanda kakhulu le choir le, ngayithanda from ngisasemncane vele ichoir, and it was a very great honor to be a part of ichoir. Siyafunda, sikufundile, sibonayo ukuthi nathi siyakwazi ukuthi sikuthathe sikufake ebandleni, siyakufaka ebandleni, okuvumelekanga nathi ukuthi hansi uZayoni wamanje sophucukile or so ngizothini, I cannot say okay we are more advanced now unoZayoni wasiqaleni. So imfundiso esifundayo right now ukuze ubone isonto lakho nawe liphumelela, if kukhona ukufunda somewhere you are at lapho. So yeah, no one motivated me to be in a choir. Ngaqala nje ichoir ngisemncane.
I'm proud of you, you know that. I hope you do.
What Ziyoni was a superhero, who would it be? So my superhero esontweni mina, there is only one who I can say is my superhero, because besides grooming me ukuthi ngingene ku-adulthood, ungifakile ukuthi ngibe umuntu othanda ukushumayela ebandleni, ngikhule ngezwi, whenever kunento engayi-understand emavesini esiwafundayo esontweni, ngiyambiza and ngikhulume naye, ngimbuza ukuthi okay ivesi elisona so makukanje lithini, what does it mean, I explain. Right now njengoba ngishilo ukuthi like umuntu nje o supportive, besides ukungruma nasezwini nasesontweni, she's there, she's always there. So lo muntu loyo igama lakhe uLady Pastor uDlunge Nxumalo, ngimthanda ngenhliziyo yami yonke. How do you feel whenever people get excited to see you in person? Guys, I feel so humbled. You know, that means into esiculayo abantu bayimamela, abayimameli singisho kanjalo, abayimameli kuphela, but it also helps them to see ukuthi umuntu athi makacala kubona emlindeleni sikafuna ukushutha nawe, sikafuna ukukhaka, you know, ukubonisa ukuthi nawe kukhona la okhula khona, you know. Into esiculayo, whenever I take a video into esontweni ngiyiposte, or whenever there is some event esontweni, abantu abeza, they listen to music or they listen to my voice, kune difference engiyenza empilweni. So it's just something engiyithanda kakhulu, ngiyayithanda ngenhliziyo yami, inhliziyo yami ivele nje you know, but yeah, ngiyayithanda ngenhliziyo yami. And thank you so much to people ababukela kimi, thank you so much to people abangisupportayo, thank you so much to people who always follow up to content yami engiyiposta ku TikTok, whenever I post videos, whenever I do duets, no normal la ngingekho perfect khona, but to their listening and to whatever that they wanna hear, bayayithola lento abafuna ukuyiva. So thank you so much guys, ngiyanethanda ngothando loka love. Which two churches would you like to see or do a collab?
Get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready, get.
That would be, hey, it's on the line. I would definitely like to see ICG Abadobi revival.
Yeah, boy.
I know, ningathi mina maybe no, but mina guys, I'm one person. Mina ithondela mina ngiyalithemba and I trust myself ukuthi into engizobe ngiyicula lapha yami. Not in a competition wise, but just nje ukuthi, you know, sibe naleyo collab. I would love it. Leyo, awu guys, awu asingayenza. Nizobona nani, nizobona. So, what is your favorite album?
A few moments later. 2,000 years later.
Guys, nginama-album amaningi engiwathandayo. Nginama-album amaningi. Alright, first album engiyithandayo. Album yala engikhwaya khona, obviously, dog.
I knew it.
Yadlala. Album yala engikhwaya khona, which is Insindiso yobuKristu. Ngiwathanda wonke ama-album akhona. I listen to ama-album akhona. Wonke. Then yabona there's a current song engiyithandayo yabo, and I'm definitely sure ukuthi yabona le mabangayifaka ku CD in the next coming mangathiwa nje Insindiso ya recorder lo yohlezi ise senhlizweni yami, because even now ngafika vele kucula leyo ngoma le khwa no yacala, I think baqala ukuyaza ngifika ile ethi nakungiyikhohle ingoma
One eternity later.
Yo. Ngiyikhohliwe. But yeah, your favorite album yami, it has to be album yensindiso. It has to be album yeZion PKs. I love Zion PKs so much. Then favorite album, I don't was busy one guys because maning. Favorite album engi Mighty Vision. Yes, Mighty Vision nayo ngiyayithanda. So I can give you just 3. What change would you like to see eZion? uZion wethu guys bazalwane usuphucukile but there is one thing engicabanga ukuthi abantu they don't think it affects abanye abantu. We still have bullying. eZion. It's not too much, but it's something nayo eyehlisa low self-esteem yabantu. When you can take umuntu ukuthi azoposta azokhomenta esithombeni sami or ku-video engiyipostile ku-TikTok or esithombeni sami esinaleyo mistake leyo, you understand. So wena mawuzotheka or mawuzokhomenta, you never know ukuthi mina lento leyo ngiyithatha kanjani. As uZion, we are supposed to support each other. Whenever you see a mistake kumzalwane, rather text lo mzalwane, even if uwangazi ukuthi yena kuleyo side lo texter uzoyithola kanjani. But rather do something. Do not make fun of abanye abantu. Do not ikelela abanye abantu phansi, because you don't know ukuthi mina I've never had umuntu waseZion ekuthiwa maybe wazithathela impilo due to ibullying yaseZion. But guys, we also need to consider ukuthi mawuzohleka omunye umuntu you should think ukuthi lowo muntu loyo ufika kanjani. Mawuzofika uhleke idubu lami uthi mina idubu lami ngilihleke, why wena or futhi most of the time yazi it's women sorry ukucikelela phansi abantu besifazana. But whenever there is a joke nje, sometimes ngamaduku ngokuthi ubani ugcoke ini, ubani ungasidashanga, ubani akaculanga kahle, ibani isonto lakhe aliculanga kahle, abo bani bayabhimba, izinto ezikanje akusinto ongayihleka. It's not something that you can make fun. Okay, akhona ama video esibonayo ukuthi nathi la vele, but ezinye izinto zamaduku nokuthi umuntu akasidashanga nani uyambizela umuntu futhi if it's your follower or if umuntu oyifriend naye, you just need to support umunye umuntu. So ayikho ningi bullying, but it's also something we should also consider. as into esingayifaka as into engashintshi ezayona. Uziyona manje so right guys, we have more advanced, we have YouTubes, we have Apple Spotify, we have lives that we do, we have TikTok, we are clean, siuza yona o clean, osathi nje usakhonza yona ongcolile. I don't know shame. Is it true that the Duke is too much? Yo guys, when I tell you ukuthi kuyimanje nje ngathi ngalibeka phansi. Mina nje guys ne iduku ne ngulo muntu lo ongathanda ukufila iduku lilusi. Iduku kumele liqine. And the more liqina the more lilimaza indlela. But anyways, listen sibe bahle bandla shem. As uyabona nami ngizabona ukuthi nabo. But yes, yeah, listen libe bahle but lona libhlungu. I don't know which material we can use because at the end of the day it's internally liqinile. But yeah, lona li complete isithombe sakho masogqokile mawumuntu osifazana osethwele. You understand? Number 9, describe your church in one word. Yo guys, one thing about isonto lami alina one word engayi describe ngalo.
What do you mean by that?
I have lot of amagama engi-explaina ngalo inkonzo mina engisonta kuyo. My church is uplifting. Ikhaya, it's a family, it's love, it's God presence. Like when present kaNkulunkulu, we are also welcoming. Like he's maningi amagama because I don't think ukhona umunye umuntu owathi wafika e-ICG athi abazange bamwelcome. We make sure ukuthi you feel welcomed.
Yeah, boy.
And ke thina ke siyashumayela, siyacula. If there is isikhathi la kumele ukuthi siyodlala khona, siyahamba siyodlala. If there is isikhathi la kumele ukuthi songenela khona ama competition, siyahamba sekuma competition. And last year sawina sahamba sayongenela i-competition that was in Kagiso, Krugersdorp. We won that choir competition saphuma number 1. Like isiningi izinto engazi-explaina ngenkonzo engisonta kuyo guys. Like kunothando, kunenhlonipho, ukuphathana kahle, we support each other. uNkulunkulu khona, umoya ongcwele ukhona e-ICG. And if you also wanna feel that presence, ungeza sisontela nje la eduze eDobsonville ePJ Simelane Secondary School. Inkonzo yangena ngo-11 each and every Sunday. Unless kukhona ukusiphazamisile, but nje 11 o'clock iyangena. Do you look up to in Zion? Okay, I will have to mention 2 and ningathi ngiya because by 2 abantu engibulela kubo and abantu basesontweni bashari ibongo kodwa ke bandla. I think uNkulunkulu azi makakulethela abantu unokulethela nanebonus. Umuntu that I said ukuthi he is superhero yam is someone that I look up to so much. Ngimshilo ngathi Lady Pastor Dlunge Nxumalo. And there's also Sisi who's very welcoming. Owakubo engim like as makuthiwa umuntu they are an open diary, uyakwazi ukukhuluma nabo regarding anything that you're experiencing on Google, or if there's any advices, if there's anything that includes church. Like I look up to them. Impilo abayiphilayo bona self, it's something that into ofuna ukuthi nawe in the near future, because right now sesikhulile sesibadala engiyifisela ukuthi nami ngibe nayo. So it also have to be usister uNtombane Nxumalo Msimeti. Yes, so abasendlini eyi-1. Yes, so labo bantu labo abantu abanothando kakhulu. Besides ukuthi noma mami I look up to her, you know, kunalento leyo ukuthi kunabantu abakhona who are, because vele labantu engamentionile labangani bakamama. So I believe ukubukelela kubo it's the right thing, because angeke umama namavume ukuthi ngibukelele ebantwini abazoba yi-bad influence again. Yeah, thank you so much guys for listening. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Yeah, Mangabe ke usufuna ukungazi kangcono or you wanna follow me ku TikTok, ku Instagram and also Facebook. Ku Facebook ngubuhle wakamlotshwa, ku Instagram ngubuhle wakamlotshwa, and then ku TikTok nguhlehle 251. Yes. Yeah, yilokho nje bazalwane, and you are more than welcome ukuthi ningazovakasha ebandleni lethu. You're gonna feel at home, you're gonna feel the love, you're gonna feel the God's presence ebandleni. Yeah bazalwane, njengoba ngishilo 11 muhle PJ Simelane Secondary School. Ngibonge kakhulu bazalwane for giving me your ears and time, ningilalele. Yes, nibe nosuku oluhle. To all the love and support engitholayo, thank you so much bazalwane. Love you, love you, love you, love you.
Bye. Bye.